Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about DAX function, that is first date and last date function. So we are going to see how it is working in today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So already I implemented the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have taken to implement this report and all. Okay, before going to that, let's try to understand. I have imported data from the Excel. So category and customer table, as well as dim date, geography, internet sales, product, as well as sales territory subcategory. These are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we can see the what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So if you go to the model tab, there we can understand what kind of relationship we have established. We'll try to understand here also. Just drag it. Now we can see that these are the tables. For example, I'll try to explain one or two. So if you look at here, from the date dimension to the fact internet sales, if we place the mouse over here, we can see that there is kind of color highlighting, right? So that means that from the date dimension, date column to the fact table of the internet sales is order date key. So we have the established between one direction to the many directions, one to many relationship we have established between dimension and fact table, right? So likewise we have implemented other tables also. So for the sales territory, as well as the product table, as well as customer table and the geography table, same kind of relationship, one to many direction relationship we have established. Now I'll try to go to the report pane. Here I'll try to explain. So what is first date, how it is working, and all, what is the last date, how it is working on. For example, I'll try to create some measures here. So I'll try to explain. So for total sales, so I'll make it zoom so that we can see clearly. So for getting the total sales, I have created by using calculate sum x function. I have created the total sales for this sales amount column, and also for finding the first date, I have used the first date function to get the first date value. Same thing like for the last date also, I have used the last date function to get the last date value. Now I'll try to explain. Here we have year and month as well as week. So this is matrix visual. For example, in this context, what is the first date? Okay, in this is a year level. So in this context, what is the first date, what is the last date? So basically at a year level, first date means it will take the first date of the 2001. Last date means last day of this year. So likewise it will give the first date, last date with respect to the current context. Okay, when it comes to 2002, we can see that here first date is 110/2002. When it comes to last date, 12/31/2002. So for every, based on the current context, it is giving the first date and last date. Now I'll try to drill down one more step. Now we can see here, this is the month level. Okay, in 2001 year, this is the month July, August, September, October, November, December. In this month, what is the context? First date of the 7/1/2001. When it comes to last date, 7/31/2001. In August, what is the first date? 8. Okay, 8th month of first, 8th month of the 31st. So it means that for every month it is giving the, for the respective month it is giving the first date and last date. So it's working based on the context only, it's working. So I'll try to expand one more level. So this is the week level. So in July, week 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. If you look at here, what is the first date, what is the last date, what is the, in week 28, what is the first date, last date? Okay, we'll try to see demo, that is also in week 27. What is the first date? 7/1/2001. In last date 7/7/2001. Okay, I'll try to go to the day dim table. There I will show you. Go to the day dim day table. Okay, here I'll try to go to the July month so that we can see clearly. So we are in 2001. Okay, so July 1st. If you look at here, so week 27. In this, what is the first date? 7/1/2001. Okay, when it comes to week 27, what is the last date? 7/7/2001. Okay, I'll try to snipping tool so that I'll try to explain. So this is the first day of the week 27. This is the last day of the week 27. So 7/1/2001 and 7/7/2001. First date, this is the last date. 7/1/77. Okay, we'll try to see that is also. Week 27 July month 2001 year. So 7/1/2001, 7/7/2000. Same thing. Okay, right? So on week 28, what is the first date? 7/8 7/8/7/14. Week 28, what is the first date? 7/8/2001. Last date 7/14/2001. Okay, we'll try to verify that is also. Week 28, 7/8/2001, 7/14/2001. Okay, same thing we are displaying and the output also. So likewise, understanding context is very important. So based on the context, it is giving the first date and last date. So same thing for other example, I mean for August month also, like September and October. For everything, it's giving the first date, last date, like that. Okay, so far so good. Now we'll try to understand. So here it's giving the last date. It is giving the entire day dim table. What is the last date? So last date is, I'll try to show that is also. I'll sort the data based on descending order. So what is the last date here? So 12/31/2004. Okay, 12/31/2004. It's giving correct, right? So in entire table level, what is the last date? In entire context level, what is the last date? When it comes to first date, what is the first date of the day dim table? Okay, 2001 only. Even I'll try to show that is also. I'll try to make it ascending order so that we can see that. See, 1/1/2001. Same thing we're displaying, right? So we'll go to the another page, there we can understand some more examples. So here also we can see that year level already we have seen. So this is the table visual, that is the, this one is the matrix visual. Okay, so in table level also we can see that year level, what is the first date and last date. In 2002, what is the first date and last date. In 2003 also, what is the first date, last date. Like that it will give the output. Okay, so when it comes to month level, we can understand what is the first date and last date. In month level, we'll see 1/1/2001 January month. Okay, so in what is the last date? 1/3, so 31st of the January 2004. Okay, first date and last date in this month level, because in January month it will take entire January month, so that is giving based on this context it's working, right? So likewise it will give the first date and last date. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for other videos also. Thank you so much for watching.